Hi guys, how to add border or padding without increasing the size of the div or the element. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have three divs here with the class name bingo, bingo01 and 02. Now if we go inside the style section, as you can see all of them have the same width and height. Now if we add a border to any one of them, like bingo01, border clone, suppose 10 pixel, solid gray, save, reload. See, now we have border outside the div, which can totally mess up our layout. So how to add border or padding inside the div? For that we just need to add one extra line, box dash sizing clone border dash box semicolon, and we are done. Save, reload. See, now the border is inside the div. Same goes for the padding. So guys, that's how easily we can add padding or border inside the div in HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.